Look at this patio. Malaki na naman siya. Ang laki na naman nila. So, we were going to harvest today. Tignan nyo. Ito, konti na lang naman yan siya. Pero ang laki na niya. So, I'm going to harvest it today to cook for our lunch. Lalaki. Tignan nyo yan. Lalaki ng mga braso. Maskulado. Maskulado. Tignan nyo. Ang lalaki. So, harvest natin yan, guys. Let's cook for lunch. For my lunch. For our lunch. Pati buhok dyan. Lalaki ng mga maso. Ano po yan? Harvest natin yung muscle niyan. Yan. Harvest din natin yung mga leaves sa baba. Sabi ng mga anak ko, first time nila matikman to. You know what they said? Tastes like mayok daw. Alam mo yung mayok, yung dried seaweed sa Korea. Yun daw yung taste alike niya. Mayok. Mayok. Dried seaweeds. Madulas pala ito yung alokbati. Madulas-dulas. Sisipag nila. Nakalaki yun. See that? Mataba. So, we don't have sardines. Sana may sardines. Ang mahal naman ng sardinas dito. Bawal palang kumain ng karne today. Mga Hindu tradition. May mga araw na hindi sila pwedeng kumain ng karne. So, we have to follow along. Respect yung tradition nila. Look at that. Look at that. Talay ba? Ang lalaki. Kahit na matataba yan, soft siya. Yung branches niya. So, nakailang harvest na ako nito. I think third time na. Kaya lalong dumami yung branches. Yung isang puno, dami na niyang branches. Pero as they grow older, yung mga branches, yung mga kanila, leaves nila, medyo lumiliit na rin. Unlike the first time na harvest ko, ang lalaki talaga ng mga leaves nila. At this time, a little bit kind of smaller. So kasi, siguro kasi dumami na branches na nag-agawan na ng mga nutrients. Yan, so harvest natin yung mga yan. Ito yellow. Naubor na ata ng araw. Kagabi I harvested yung kamuti ko. Yung kamuti ko I harvested last night. Pinalo ko sa chicken gravy namin kagabi. So today naman yung alokbate. Ubus na yung kamuti ko. Kasi harvest ko na yung kahapon. So, iluluto ko itong alokbate together with this dried mushroom. Bumili kasi yung asawa ko na dami ng bilis. So, we cannot cook it all at once. And hindi siya pwedeng, keep it for a long time yung mushroom. So, what I did is, I dried it. So, dried to siya. After drying, I washed it. So, ready for cooking na to siya. Kasi I have experience before nung nakarami ako nagbili ng mushroom. I just keep it in the refrigerator. Bumaho siya. Bumaho siya na namamasa. So, it's kind of smelly and so gross to eat it. So, I preferred, so I have it dried. Ito, yung nagbili ng asawa ko. So, nawash ko na siya after drying. Now, it's ready for cooking with my alokbate. So, it's my first time cooking mushroom with alokbate. I'm not sure how will it taste. Kung is it okay ba siya? Is it a good partner of this? But anyway, kasi nakita ko sa video man, hinaluan nila ng ampalayan, yung mushroom sa soup, di ba? Sa Pilipinas din ay sa luyot naman. So, alokbate, I think it's not a problem. It's okay, I think so. So, first time ko siyang gawin. So, let's see. I think soup or gravy gisa lang. I'm not sure. Let's try it. Gisa ko lang muna siya and then maybe I'll put, then taste it and then maybe add some water if we to make it soup maybe. Sarap sana may sardinas kaso pa lang ang mahal ng sardinas dito sa Nepal. My God, imported kasi po siya from Thailand. Yan, so let's see what can we do with this one. This is my first time cooking, guys, aloo patty with mushroom. I don't know how will it turn, but anyway, let's make our own recipe or experiment. Yan. So for now, let's see. Is mag-prepare muna ako ng sibuyas, bawang, kaluya siguro, and I will just cook the plan. Yep, so ready today Saturday and medyo late gising ng mga bata. Tulog pa sila. We wake up late also. We just finished our tea. Yan yung bread namin. Katatapos ko lang nag-tea with my husband. So now it's almost, anong oras na ba? 10 na pala siya. So I'm going to prepare for lunch and do some housework, some washing clothes, something. Kasi maulan ngayon. So we have a lot of laundry to wash. And there's no place or enough space to hang our clothes. So I'll just wash the clothes that I need for the whole week. Yan. So, makulimlim na araw. All night ulan. All night ulan. Tignan niyo makulimlim yung araw. You cannot see the blue sky. It's so dark. Ako, nakatakpan ng screen. Makulimlim na araw. Very lonely, sad day. Pag makulimlim, bakit parang so lonely and sad day? Parang ganun. Ay na, dami naming gawain. Anyway, work food muna tayo. Yeah, so, may plants. Katabi ng. Ang cute ng plants nito. Pink siya. Bigay ng aking landlord. Ang cute na, di ba? Yan, bigay ng aking landlady. Cute ng pink niya. Purple siya. So cute. Lovely. Yan, pinutol ko yung iba. Dyan, nilagay sa may water. Kasi masyado na siyang mahaba. Mali kasi yung paso ko. So maybe I have to transfer it in a bigger container or pot para lalong dumami siya. But anyway, like it here in a small pot here. So I could put it on my table like that while working. See? So cute. Diba? Cute yan. Ganda.